So right now we are at Shanghai Hongqiao railway station, going to Changzhou. Let's see what the train looks like. Just look at the rush. There are only online ticket booking portals. One thing to note is that Chinese people are very friendly. Also, they are very friendly with the camera. This is the check-in counter. We will check in soon. Our train number is G1584 and when it turns green, we are allowed to check in. It's 1:55 PM and we still haven't checked in. Boarding begins.
हमें जाना है 10 मिनट पहले गेट खोल रहे हैं. अगर ट्रेन छूट गई जिम्मेदारी कौन देगा? हमें इंडिया में 1 घंटा पहले जाके
संघाई के रेलवे स्टेशन पर है ना, तो यहाँ पर चूहे हैं.
Bullet train from Shanghai to Changzhou. It hardly stopped here for 5 minutes. कैसा लग रहा है?
मेरा 8 इंच का था ये पेट, जो बाहर निकला हुआ था अब 2 इंच का रह गया.
Now just look at the speed.
हमारे घर पर लड़ा है.
As you can see, there is no movement. It's an empty bottle that got dropped. Just look at the speed.
चाय गरम चाय.
इसने तो हार मान ली. आप देखो क्या हाल हो गया. So we have reached our destination. It was a short and pleasant journey. ये देखो यहाँ के टीटी. नि हाओ, नि हाओ, नि हाओ.